Hello friends, welcome to Point Process. Today we have discussed about the space recharge. I want to form my own organization that's called Space Recharge. According to this organization or the company you can say, I want to make a communication medium between Mars and the Earth easier or other planet between Earth easier. By this, according to this company goals is telecommunication medium become easier because in the future I think I have talked about or I have more closer than the universe and more know about universe. So between me and you, that's really necessary how we can talk between me and you from the earth and Mars. When the some people, because the space tourism is a faster way increasing process, and by this according to this increasing behavior of the space tourism, the communication medium is also necessary. So I want to, and my organization and my company want to work on this process, and I want to make easier communication medium between person and the whose person going on Mars. Because if the person who stayed on the Mars want to talk about family and the other, in the present time this communication medium is slow. So and the other company work on the rocket launching and the other equipment. So I want to work on communication medium that's really necessary. Because due to this process everything change, and the today generation company realize or company go forward company to the 5G 4G 2G. But I want to introduce you new generation that's called space recharge, means space generation, that's called space G. And by this invention you talk and you know more elaborate about the space. So that's my future plan. But I know if you listen it then you cannot believe it. But that's my dream, and I am believe on my dream. Because my dream is my dream, not your dream. Okay, but that's a dream, and one day this dream makes a believing system and makes you believe. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.